had 10 and 6,000 had 10.
Hey, yeah, that's pretty good classes.
Okay. I'm gonna get going.
Alright.
I gotta go drive home.
Alright.
Thanks for having
See
me
you next
out.
time.
Just a poster that.
J.D. Griffin on a 53 International Super WD9. Bill Griffin will be stage 6 for the 51 W9.